Ongoing concerns and speculations about the source of COVID-19. Most countries around the world believe that this new generation virus is man-made. There is every reason to believe so. The Wuhan Institute of Virology is suspected to be the ground zero, a popular speculation believed by countries including United States, Britain, Russia and India. All these countries estimate that the labs has been the center of virus collection for many years. It is the largest virus bank in Asia with over 1,500 different types of viruses. There is also a specialty laboratory for dealing with class 4 viruses such as Ebola, which are very dangerous. Leading intelligence agencies around the world, including India's RAW, believe that COVID-19 is an invention from this lab. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has also made a public statement on the same. This is the first time that India made such a response, which came as a shock for China. While researchers have claimed that the virus might have had a natural origin, this is not taken at the face value by most intelligence agencies. The researchers, on the other hand, couldn't pinpoint the exact origin of the virus. There is a widespread assumption among them that bats are the host of this virus and the human transmission might have happened through animals such as pangolins. Based on an analysis of the present scientific studies, World Health Organization has came to the conclusion that the virus has its origin in animals. However, US strongly assume that the fatal virus came out of the Wuhan Virology Lab. Based on the finding of CIA, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo stated that there are clear evidence for suspecting the institutions. The initial investigations of the intelligence agencies from America, Canada, Britain and Australia had concluded that China had been hiding a lot of information. The investigative teams also found that the virology lab near Wuhan wet market as the primary site of virus infection. The virus which was used for tests in this lab has 96% similarity with the present strain of virus, suggests other reports. Apart from these, Russia, India and Israel are undertaking their own independent investigation regarding the same. They are employing Chinese spies to get further information. The dissent among the Chinese population agencies, their government is utilized by these intelligence agencies. Leading intelligence agencies around the world have crammed into a defensive fortress that the Chinese authorities have built over the years. There is still a section of the country that has a strong dissent against the Chinese government. It is also being investigated if that triggered the virus spread. The investigation is mainly focused on people who had been working at the Wuhan Institute of Virology. Earlier, it was reported by Fox News that the virus had accidentally leaked from a woman who worked as an intern here. The virus had spread from her to a male friend and later to a Wuhan wet market goes to a speculation. It was from the wet market that the virus massively spread to others. US President Trump responded to the report that let's wait and see what happens. Almost 2 years back, US had expressed its concerns about the biosafety of this virology lab in Wuhan that studies deadly viruses and infectious diseases. It was Washington Post which had brought out this report. Intelligence agencies are currently trying to find out not only the sources but also the purpose of the virus that has enhanced humanity. International media reports that the CIA is also leaking messages from Chinese officials. China has also conducted an internal investigation into the matter, but their actual findings have not yet been released. They still maintains that the virus has not jumped from a lab. At the same time, suspicions of the virus being deliberately released to work havoc on the country has been initiated among Chinese populace. People's agitations in Hong Kong poses a major challenge to the current Chinese government. There is a small group who support the Hong Kong protesters in China. They are all the relatives victims of 1989 Tiananmen Square massacre. Thousands marched in Beijing's Tiananmen Square on June 4, 1989, demanding restoration of democracy. The Chinese government responded with military tanks. It is estimated that at least 5,000 people were killed in the military action. Thousands were seriously injured. Relatives of the victims are still living with those shocking old memories. China acquires the imperialistic power of trying to destroy peace within the country. The country still holds on to its former position. It is also worth checking whether Tiananmen Square incident and the silent protest is behind this virus. Many foreign agencies have doubts whether the coronavirus leaked by mistakes or was leaked out deliberately. The decision of these agencies is to look into every possibility and it is not a prejudiced investigation. They have already looked into the background of the Wuhan lab staffs and their friends. Their relationship with the victims of the Tiananmen Square massacre is mainly examined. The reality is that if this kind of vagans was involved, the chance of China already executing the criminals are very high. Even if one of the lab employees deliberately did something wrong, China would never speak of it again. The country is likely to stand firm on its claim that the virus originated in the Wuhan wet market. The reality is that China never wants Tiananmen Square to be discussed again. China will also be considering the restrictions that the world nations may impose if the truth comes out. Chinese security agencies are currently working on a fortification to prevent a single secret being uncovered. China had expelled long back any foreign personnel, including journalists. It was a message that they had something to hide from the rest of the world.